Good evening. Right now it's about 7 o'clock, and today is 9th of February 2021. And I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I am a chief mentor and founder at StockPro and a partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires, and Asta Trade. So I'm hoping that you guys are all present on my Telegram channel. And if you just see, I give few stocks, very few stocks in the morning and in the live market, just to show you the accuracy by which we buy. I don't give you hundreds of stocks, just one stock, right? I gave you SBI Life, right? SBI Life, I have given a buy at 880 and our target was 10 points, right? That means 896 was my target. And look at how this has blasted. It closed at 896, right? This is how it closed, at 896, right? So sorry guys, sorry, just give me a second, just a sec, let me log in. Okay, so this is all what I traded today. This was my trade today, but I wanted to show you what happened in did you all remember Berger Paint? I gave you in the live market on Sunday, right? I gave you on Sunday, and look at, it's still unstoppable, right? It's just not stopping anywhere. And if tomorrow it crosses 770, at least I'm expecting it to go till this point, which is 785, right? This could be the next target, and if it goes above that, then my final target is going to be somewhere around 830, right? But I wanted to show you SBI Life, right? We entered somewhere here where the past resistances were crossed, 880, and look at it, made a high of 897, right? The lot size is 750, and it really matters, you know, if you have accuracy. Every time your stop loss hits, you lose the trade, right? You lose money. So very important concept of stock market is that you should protect your capital at any cost, no matter how small your stop loss. You should always try to have a stop loss which does not hit, right? So my suggestion is that always do extreme analysis until you are bang on sure that now the stock is going to move up. So anyway, I have a agenda today, so I'm going to talk about Bank Nifty. So I don't know what all you are believing, what you are thinking, but I feel that the market is not going to come down, right? Market is still looking very powerful and strong to me, right? Powerful and strong to me. I feel it's really, you know, going to blast in the couple of days. And that to be, I'm talking about Bank Nifty, right? This is how Bank Nifty is. It went up till about 36,626, then came down. Then yesterday it tried to go up and came down. Today again it tried to go up and couldn't cross yesterday's high, right? Which is 36,471. Yeah. So that's on a shorter time frame. I'll show you the 1-day time frame. This is how it looks in 1-day time frame. To me, you know, this setup is, if it breaks this low, which is 35,536, it is going to fall. Bank Nifty may further correct, and if it goes above 36,636, 36,636, I'm expecting a good move of about 1,000 points, minimum 1,000 to 2,000 points, and I have solid reason to back that argument, right? So have a look at you know, the banking stocks. PNB, Axis Bank, in the falling market it was positive. ICICI Bank raring to go up. HDFC Bank just ready to break the high. Federal Bank is not that strong, but this is HDFC Bank. I'm going to add up HDFC Limited also, right? If I just add up HDFC Limited, just have a look at HDFC Limited. This is also planning to go up, right? It's forming a double top, right? Crossing this high will lead it to move in the upward direction, right? And Kotak Bank, let's have a look at Kotak Bank. No, that's not that positive. RBL Bank, no. So whatever fall, little bit fall that you see is basically due to these banks. But the major banks, right? Major banks like, for example, Axis Bank, ready to blast up. ICICI Bank, ready to, it blasted today boundaries, but still it looks pretty much positive to me. HDFC Bank, heavy weights of Bank Nifty are positive, right? And so is Bank Nifty. These are a few data points that I have more on my radar. I'm going to show you the option chain, right? This is current month's option chain, current week expiries, 11th February expiry option chain, and have a look at it. There has been unwinding happening at this level, which is 36,200, right? 36,200 level, there is an unwinding. Avoided market close today. Nifty Bank. It closed at 36,056, right? Have a look at the option chain, right? This week's option chain, there has been an unwinding. There has been an unwinding at 36,100, right? That's a very, very important factor, like I definitely will consider that as an important indication that Bank Nifty definitely plans to go up, right? These two contracts, there have been unwinding, right? Whereas if you have a look at the put side, there has been put writing, increased put writing at all these levels. All these levels, if you notice, there has been the change in OI has been very, very strong. Whereas if you have a look at it on the call side, except this contract, which is 36,400, rest all contracts do not have that kind of heavy call writing. And this unwinding that you see at two places, 36,100, 36,200, indicates that Bank Nifty is very bullish, right? And maybe I'm one of the biggest bull ever born, very optimistic in the market all the time. Even in a falling market, I can find a good buy trade. So I can be eternal optimist, but uh, maybe I'm little biased being on a bullish side. But if I just put my mindset aside, right, have a look at Axis Bank, pretty much, in the range. ICICI Bank broken the range but couldn't sustain because market fell. HDFC have been watching for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days and waiting for it to cross this. Slowly, gradually, OI is increasing, right? So definitely there will be a blast is waiting in HDFC. And the similar situation exists for HDFC Bank as well. So I am definitely expecting, HDFC, the Bank Nifty to move, give a breakout. If it breaks its high tomorrow, we may get a breakout tomorrow itself. But if it doesn't, then in a day or two, maybe Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty is here. So I'm definitely expecting, Bank Nifty to give a beautiful breakout because today it was range bound. A doji has been formed. So above this candle's high, if it breaks, and I have a feeling that it will break, right? Reason is the option chain. Let me just have a look at the month end option chain. What is happening in that? Maybe that provides a better data or something. So once again, oh my God, look at this. This is a beautiful thing. Look at this 36,000, right? How much volume has appeared and how many contracts have been written. Huge volume has appeared and huge number of contracts have been written, right? So this 36,000 for sure is the base that has been formed for the month end, right? And if you see on the call side, 36,500 is the boundary or the ceiling for Bank Nifty for the month end, right? So definitely I am having a stance which is very, very bullish. And as I told you, tomorrow if on my radar will be Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and HDFC. These four stocks definitely are on my radar, and even Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has to cover this 600 points. Above 36,600, I'm expecting it to go up till about 40,000 or so, or maybe at least 2,000 points. I'm definitely expecting, right? From this level to 38,000, right? This is what I'm definitely expecting. Lifetime high and blast. The heavyweights are very, very okay. Just let me do one more thing for you guys, right? Let's check what is happening in the option chain of HDFC and HDFC Bank. So let's see what is happening. Go. What is happening in, see, there is option unwinding, right? There is option, the call unwinding happening in HDFC, right? Let's see HDFC Bank. What is happening in HDFC Bank? Here and go. What is happening here? So not much of call writing, but there is unwinding happening here and unwinding happening at this level, which is 1640, right? I also want to check what is happening in ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. So these are the data points, which we need to keep in our mind when we are deciding about anything, right? See here, there is call unwinding happening at the 650 level, right? In ICICI Bank. Let's see Axis Bank. Let's see what's happening in Axis Bank. Call unwinding at all the levels, right? Till 780. So I am pretty much bullish on Bank Nifty. And if Bank Nifty remains positive, surely Nifty will go up, right? So although I made really good money in shorting because of my indicators, not indicators, but pure data. I work on data, right? So my data was telling me that Nifty is about to fall, and I shorted it, um, you know, but it went up and up and up, made double top and then fell, right? Once it made a double top, it was confirmed that Nifty is going to have a massive fall. So it fell from this point, which is 15 to 30 to almost like 200 points. It fell almost like 200 points. So that was a good trade. So all the best, guys. Keep following me here on my Twitter account. You'll keep getting very, very good trades. Follow me on my Telegram channel, which has got about 270, 627 subscribers. And you can, where else can you follow me? You can watch my YouTube videos. And there will be another place where you will be able to follow me soon. Wait for the news to be broken. It'll be official. It'll be very, very um, easy for you to follow me from there, because that is where I'll be doing my live trades. Nobody does it in the market with the kind of accuracy I do. So please keep watching, keep waiting for the news to be broken, and all the best, guys. See you tomorrow with another video. But I am definitely very, very optimistic and positive about Bank Nifty. Today I'm talking about Bank Nifty. Usually I talk about Nifty, but today I'm talking about Bank Nifty. I'm finding Bank Nifty very good and ready to go up, and if Bank Nifty goes up, Nifty will follow it. So take care, guys. Short carefully. Don't fall a trap on anybody's recommendations. Just follow technicals, not even technicals, the data points, right? If you follow data points correctly, you will not falter. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.